how to download your data on Snapchat. So if you want to download your data on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Once you're on your profile, now go with the upper right, which has that settings option. And once you're on the settings, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on my data. And once you tap on my data, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply select the data that you would like to download. So for example, I'll be choosing only the chat history. And once you choose that, now you just need to simply go with next, which is on the bottom right. And you need to select the data range. So simply change or choose the date. I'll be choosing last week and go with submit. And after submitted, within 24 hours, you will receive an email of your data has been exported and you'll have a download option. So in this way, you'll be able to download your data on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.